I'm Holly Lawrence, and I'm the SEI Climate Corps Zero Waste Fellow for the City of Sandersville.
And I am Jessica Carver. I'm a project coordinator for SEI's Energized Schools and Workforce programs. And today we are getting ready to go to Hidden Valley Elementary School to do some classroom presentations for the students surrounding waste education and infrastructure improvements on campus.
So, one of the things we'll be doing in our classroom presentations is a sorting quiz or game for the kids, where we really demonstrate proper sorting practices to them.
Yes, so we will have these bins laid out in front of us in preparation for the sorting quiz, and then in this bag we have a lot of different examples of common waste that the schools generate, and we will be educating and then quizzing the students on which bin they belong in. And it is worth noting that we have a special guest, Neil the Banana Peel, who we consult for compost education, and the kids love it. I'd say my favorite thing about doing a site visit is spending time with the children. They get really excited when anyone really comes and visits their campus, and they get really pumped up to learn, and it's just wonderful to see that we're helping them foster community and build environmental stewardship on campus.